Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia, and thank you for tuning in for what's gonna be a very short and to the point video because it's just an unboxing of something absolutely incredible that I cannot wait to jump into and delve into. Of course, I'm talking about Soultanicals, and I have the exclusive CEO birthday box. I got it a while back. As soon as it was out, I ordered it right away. It took a minute to arrive, and that's totally fine because Lord knows I have an arsenal of Soultanicals products. Oh my god, and just my head of hair because of my children don't let me experiment on them. I had to order it anyway. There is so much in this box. What is there? Boom! I'm gonna show you all of it. I cannot wait to delve in. I haven't even opened this. Okay, I'll open it. This is kind of like the scarf do-rag. I think it's what delayed the whole box shipping out because there was a delay in receiving these. So they wanted to make sure everything was ready to go, and I'm excited. How big is it? I don't know. Yeah, silky smooth. Let's see. Oh, this is super cool. Haha. What does it say? It's the Flatbush Swag Rag. Yeah. I have to figure out how to put it on. Maybe for starters, bandana style, hippie gypsy style. Yeah. This leaked. It's the Brooklyn Floss Gloss Boss, which I have and I've tried, but I haven't tried it with the spray head. I need to wash it because this actually had leaked all over my box. The CEO birthday box card with a note from Ayo Ogun. And now for all the products. The Do or Dry Bed-Stuy, the Coil Soil Clarifying Hair Fertilizer. Can't believe it's not pumpkin. The Hair Sorel Napalicious King Drink, which I already have in a large size. The Ms. Frosty Deep Repairing Frosturizer. The Warm It Up Mane Heat and Retain Deep Hydrating Mask. The Bushwick Slick Mold Hold. And last but not least, the Crown Heights Gummy Delights Hair Growth Formula. It does not contain gelatin. I can have it. I haven't tried this. Can I try this right now? I would have to actually start doing this and chronicle it and just report back in. And it says adults take 2 gummies a day, so I'll take my 2 gummies. Why did this have a hole in it? What? So good. I tried. Oh, it smells delicious. And I feel actually totally fine because they're vegan and I'm vegetarian, so I don't eat any gelatin. So good. This is the way I could do vitamins every day. This is awesome. And so there you have it, the magical CEO birthday box. Oh my god, no regrets ever buying anything Soultanicals, but especially this. You know, the hard thing is I want more gummies, and I have to remind myself they're actual hair growth vitamins and it's not candy. Feels like candy. This is incredible. So stay tuned because I have literally become the Soultanicals YouTube channel. I will be trying every single one of these products in its very own exclusive YouTube video. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you stay with me on my Soultanicals journey of pure magic for the hair. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more. And I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.